Hello everyone, this is Roopesh. This is my final project for Principles of Big Data Processing, fall semester. The project goal is to build a stock dashboard with streaming stock data every 10 seconds for various sectors and ticker symbols. The idea is almost a no-code pipeline built to consume and store data into Elasticsearch that is both scalable and consistent. For the big data source, I ran into some API limits when pulling the live data, so I have simulated the data for every 10 seconds using a Python program, which takes into account the last price and the range it was there for the previous day and tries to simulate the same variation in the current price for every 10 seconds. So the generated source file is about 3 KB for a choice of 20 stock symbols for every 10 seconds. The data generated from the Python program is in this format, which has the symbol, the current price, and the sector it belongs to, and the timestamp that it is created at. All the files that are created are placed into an output folder. And coming to the processing pipeline, Flume is set up to monitor the source output folder, and then the sync is set up to Kafka topic. So all the data that gets generated as files is pushed into Kafka topics. From Kafka, I have a ES connector. The Kafka ES connector actually pulls all the messages written into the Kafka as an Elasticsearch index. The index name is same as the Kafka topic. And finally, the layer for visualization is Kibana, and I have built a dashboard that shows some information about the stocks. This is essentially the same. Coming to implementation and results, this is the Python program that generates the stock data every 10 seconds in a loop, and then this is the format that I was showing up. Coming to the containers, so all the pipeline components are implemented as a containers. So the Elasticsearch container, the Zookeeper, and the Kafka Kibana, and the schema registry and Kafka connect for setting up the connectors. Kafka topics, I can see that the topic is already created as Elasticsearch data, and once it is running, once the program is running, I can see the Elasticsearch data being generated. So all the Elasticsearch data is being generated and written into Elasticsearch index, Elasticsearch data. When I move into Kibana, this is the dashboard I have built in, which shows the total count and the sector performance for every 10 seconds. And I built a ticker symbol for every 1 minute instead of 10 seconds. This is how it looks for each stock, and a table view. Thanks for listening in. Thank you.